today. It's the 26th of September 2022. We have Marunakuja 6 We filmed the sticker video before, and we will try sticker C and D also later. This one has also 11 floors. It was built in 1973 by ValmetSchlieren, revised in 1996 with Kone fixtures. The capacity is 6 persons with 80 rooms. This VS 3312. Still very nice. It's really nice. Lägare. Helsinki has 4 schools in Finland. We will be inspecting it next year, 2023. It will be 50 years old, and the modernized are 25 years old in the last year, 2021. I really like this style here. It's like lemon yellow, blue, and red orange in color. Yes, really lovely. Also, it has 2 lights. Second.